Good morning, ma'am. Myself, K. Bhuvan. I am from first year civil department. Today I am going to explain a problem in differential equation and vector calculus. Show that del f of r equals to f dash of r by r into r bar, where r bar equals to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Show that del f of r equals to f dash of r by r into r bar. R bar equals to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. R equals to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Here del equals to I bar dou by dou x plus j bar dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z, where I bar comma j bar comma k bar are unit vectors in the x comma y and z direction respectively. Dou by dou x comma dou by dou y comma dou by dou z are the partial derivatives with the respect to respective coordinates. Gradient of a scalar function grad f equals to del f, where del equals to I bar of dou by dou x plus j bar dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z into f function into a scalar function. Here del applied to a scalar function gives the gradient, which is a vector field. Del f equals to dou f by dou x comma dou f by dou y comma dou f by dou z. Step 1. Understand the function. Given a scalar function f of r, where r equals to square root of x square plus y square plus z square, and r bar equals to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, we want to compute gradient of a f of r, that is del f of r. Del f of r equals to I bar into dou f of r by dou x, j bar into dou f of r by dou y, k bar into dou f of r by dou z. Since f is a function of r and r is a function of x comma y comma z, use the chain rule. Dou f of r by dou x equals to f dash of r into dou r by dou x, and simply for y and z. Compute the partial derivatives of r. We are working with r equals to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. This is the magnitude of the vector. R bar equals to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Now to find gradient del f of r, we need the partial derivatives of r with respect to x, y and z. We use the chain rule for dou r by dou x. Start with r equals to x square plus y square plus z square whole power 1 by 2. Differentiate with respect to x. Dou r by dou x equal to half into x square plus y square plus z square whole power minus 1 by 2 dot 2 into x equal to x by square root of x square plus y square plus z square equals to x by r. Similarly, dou r by dou y equals to y by r, dou r by dou z equals to z by r. So overall del r equals to x by r into I bar plus y by r into j bar plus z by r into k bar. Here xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, which is equals to r bar. So it becomes r bar by r. First step. From step 3, we already calculated del r equals to x by r into I bar plus y by r j bar plus z by r into k bar equals to r bar by r. So now substitute del r into our expression for del f of r. So now substitute del r into our expression for del f of r equals to f dash of r dot r bar by r, which simplifies to del f of r equals to f dash of r by r into r bar. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time.